Hey, guess what? My Australian FLOETROL came in, and I just did a little swiping over here. Just messing around with it. Look at that. That's cool. So I'm just going to play with it a little bit, but yeah, it does what it says it does, which is it creates those cells for you guys. Okay, don't mind me while I mess around with my camera. Let's see if I can get that a little bit straighter for you. Does that look straighter? I hope so. There, hopefully it'll stay. Got a little bit of a shadow, but hopefully there's enough light on the canvas for you to see it well. There, maybe that's better. Is that a little bit better? I hope so. So I don't have a lot of paints, but what I did was so this is a wood board. It's like a canvas. I've got quite a bit of the white paint on here, which I've mixed with US FLOETROL. And then this is mixed with US FLOETROL. This is mixed with the US FLOETROL. And then also the red is mixed with the US FLOETROL. And so then I made black, and then I also made gray with the Australian. So I did black with that one. Now I'm going to put gray on top, or swipe with the gray. And then I have my little spatula thing right there. And I'll put that on the back and swipe it. So let's see. I don't really have a pattern in mind. I'm just pretty excited. Just pretty excited here. So let's see. I think I'll go, well, I might have to do it in a couple of them because I would need a bigger spatula to do this. I hope I'm not making a mistake having to do it in two parts. I think I have a bigger spatula. Maybe this one's wide enough to do it. We'll try that, okay? We'll go like this. We've got the red. And we'll do some orange. I don't know, maybe I should just do black again. And I think I'm going to do black again, actually, instead of the gray. And some yellow. Okay, and so I'm going to drag it with a spatula, so it's just like doing a swipe. But how I've seen it done is it's dragged with the spatula. And this is all dry. I'm really bad about keeping all my stuff super clean and pristine, like a lot of people do. Sometimes I get done painting and I'm tired. I just call it a night or a day or whatever. Okay, now I'm not sure how much to use. You guys see I've got it on here, and I don't, but see, it doesn't really want to pour off really fast, so I think that might be about right. I'm not sure. Well, let's give it a whirl and see what happens. First time doing this. I'm nervous. I'm really nervous, you guys. Okay. Oh God, I went. Like that. Look at those cells. Look at those cells just pop up. Look at that. Now, because I have a little bit more left right here that I didn't do, I'll put some black on this thing here. Look at those cells, you guys. That's the Australian FLOETROL. And I followed this recipe. I can't remember who I got it from, but they said, so I just got one of my tablespoons has been sacrificed from the kitchen. So I did 3 parts FLOETROL, 1 part tube paint. Okay, so this is, what is that, black? Mars Black, I think. And then I've got Essentials yellow and Artist Loft orange. Okay, all right, let's try it again here. Oh my gosh, this is fun. There we go. Now I'm not sure about this, if I should drag this down a little bit. You torch it and see what happens. Let's see what happens if I give it a torch. Maybe I will drag it back the other way. Okay, with some red. That orange is coming up real good. And we'll just kind of bring it down with that and see what that does. Let's give it a whirl. Do the long one first. I actually got this FLOETROL about a week ago, but I haven't done anything with it. I've been a little bit nervous, actually, to work with it. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I don't know if I pressed hard enough on that or not. Didn't come up right away, so I kind of want to do it a little more because I'm learning. Let's see what happens. Looks a little funky right there. Let's see. Oh, little tiny cells when you do that. I don't know if that's good or not. Little tiny ones. Okay, I don't know if it's going to grow or not, but there it is. So that's a trip, isn't it? I want to do more, you guys. I've got the paint, so why not? A little bit there. And a little bit here. Maybe I had too much. I don't know if I had too much or not enough. Maybe I had too much. I'll try it with a little bit less. This is my first time doing this, so it's all an experimentation, but I thought, well, I might as well film it since I'm practicing something all brand new here. And you know, I don't really know how thick you're supposed to make this. Let me see. I'm going to let it run down a little bit. You guys can watch it. I'm going to let it run down a little bit so it's not so thick. This stuff's super expensive, you guys. There's a lady that sells it on either her website or her friend's website. This is a small little bottle. I paid $59. It's a liter. Paid $59 for it. Free shipping. Yeah, I just don't know. Okay, I just don't know. I don't know. Okay, there we go. Just look at those little bubbles start coming up, just like that. Just like that. And see the different colors, and now the white's kind of taking over here a little bit. So on the one on this side over here, the paint, let me see if I can slide it so you guys can see it. The paint, the white paint underneath was not as thick. So I don't know, maybe that's, but you can see I have these different size cells. That was a cool, nice swipe right there. This is different right here. It got a little bit of a greenish look with mixing with the black. Oh yeah, see, they're developing. Look at that. It's developing, it's coming up. Maybe a little bit of orange right here. Just a little tiny bit. Like that. And then on here, just a little tiny bit like that. There. Well, maybe a little more orange. Maybe just a little bit more. A little yellow, maybe. Okay, we're going to kind of let it run down a little bit. It's not too thick. Okay, let's see what it does. I'm going to plant it right on there and swipe it around. Whoops. I wish I would have drug that out a little bit right there. So now it's a tail on it there, shooting through the sky. Let's put a tail on this one too. Let's do a little bit of a tail on this one. Looks like a koi fish or something jumping. Just make this kind of come down a little bit more. There we go. There it is. Let me know what you guys think. I'm glad I filmed it. I was nervous about filming it because I thought it might turn out really funky, but it's pretty fun. I'm going to bring you down for a close-up and show you. Bringing you down to show you from the way that I saw it. Here's the other one. Booyah. Here's my drape. Whoops. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. There it is. Gosh dang it. I could hold it still, huh? If I could hold it still. Okay. Come in closer. Let's get a little closer, baby. Check that out. What a trip. Oh, I'm going to have fun. Well, I guess the marble pours will now be on hold for a while because now I'm going to be playing with this Australian FLOETROL. Really lightened up a lot there. But you can still see the cells. Not sure why there's a line going through there. Maybe I drug something through there by accident. Okay, pretty. I like it when the colors kind of bleed out into the white like that. Like right in there too. I think that's cool. Okay guys, give me a thumbs up if you like it. Let me know what you think. And thanks for watching. All right, and a little color tonight. Peace.